Today, I want to talk about the many benefits of NAD+. Now, what is NAD+? It's a molecule found in every cell of your body, and the name stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Okay? It's kind of like a helper molecule that helps you turn food into energy. As we age, our NAD+ levels go down, and this creates all sorts of problems, especially with our mitochondria, the energy factory of the cell. But there's a lot of things that can increase your NAD+, and some of them are really simple. So we're going to dive into 14 different ways to increase NAD+ in this video. But first, why should you even bother increasing your NAD+? What does it actually do? Well, NAD+ helps you with over 500 different biochemical reactions in the body. The main thing it helps you with is turning food into energy. So you have the ability to make ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. So if you don't have enough NAD+, you can't make ATP. You're going to be fatigued. You're not going to have the energy. NAD+ is also involved in helping you repair DNA. It's involved in helping regulate your genome. It's involved in helping you synthesize new proteins. So if you're low in NAD+, you're not going to have the ability to build and repair the proteins that you need. NAD+ is also involved in helping you synthesize new lipids or fats that you need, especially in the brain. And it's also involved in helping you detoxify poisons. So if you're deficient in NAD+, you're not going to be able to get rid of toxins that you're exposed to as efficiently. Since NAD+ is so essential, let's talk about how to increase it. Number 1, fasting or caloric restriction. If you decrease the amount of calories you take in, you can increase NAD+. Now, I wouldn't recommend going too far with this because you might end up with not enough calories, and then you'll be starving and you'll be feeling tired and weak. But just restricting calories a little bit can help increase NAD+. Another thing you could do is periodic prolonged fasting, where you would fast for like 24 hours once a week, or maybe every other week. Number 2, exercise. This makes sense because when you exercise, you're putting a stress on the body, so the body has to adapt and become stronger. And guess what? It increases NAD+ in the process. Number 3, cold therapy. So taking a cold shower or a cold plunge can actually increase NAD+ by up to 200%. That's a huge increase. Number 4, polyphenols. These are compounds found in plants that have a positive effect on human health. An example is curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Other foods that have polyphenols that can increase NAD+ are blueberries, blackberries, oranges, thyme, cinnamon, green tea, and dark chocolate. Number 5, bee pollen. This is a pollen collected by honeybees that's been shown to have some pretty amazing health benefits, including increasing NAD+. Number 6, broccoli sprouts. Okay, you don't need a lot of broccoli. You just need a little tiny sprout because they're like 100 times more concentrated than the adult broccoli. Number 7, avocados. Avocados are high in niacin, which is actually a precursor for NAD+. Number 8, eat the rainbow of vegetables. So different colored vegetables have different phytonutrients, different phytochemicals that can increase NAD+. Number 9, nutritional yeast. This is a deactivated yeast that's used as a food product that happens to have a lot of B vitamins, which are precursors for NAD+. Number 10, meats, fish, poultry, and dairy products. These are all good sources of protein that contain the amino acids that are necessary to help you build NAD+. Number 11, nicotinamide riboside. This is a supplement that's a precursor for NAD+, and it's kind of a newer supplement that's gaining a lot of popularity. Number 12, nicotinamide mononucleotide. This is another precursor for NAD+, that's kind of similar to nicotinamide riboside. Number 13, nicotinic acid. Now this is a version of vitamin B3 that's also a precursor for NAD+. And number 14, just take NAD+ as a supplement. You can get it in a powder form and just start taking some throughout the day. Now, I will say this about the NAD+ precursors. It's probably better to space them out through the day rather than taking a large amount all at once.